Activity 3, making conjectures. A conjecture is a statement believed to be true based on observations. We can make conjectures by observing the information that is given to us and identifying patterns from that information. Let's see this in action. Example 1, the product of an even and odd number is... So our definition says we need observations. So let's make some observations. So first of all, even numbers, if you've forgotten, are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. And then odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. And then product, what does that mean? That means multiply. So we need to get some data. So let's multiply an even and an odd number. So we'll just start with the first one. It's 2 times 1, that's 2. How about 2 times 3? That's 6. How about 6 times 7? 42. 4 times 3, that's 12. 4 times 1, that's 4. I could do this all day. 10 times 9, that's 90. Okay, so you don't have to do all of them, obviously. That would take forever. But let's look at what we've got here and see if we can draw any conclusions. So here's our products for our 6 observations. 2, 6, 42, 12, 4, 90. And we're supposed to make a conjecture about that. Well, think about it for a second. Maybe pause the video, see if you can figure it out before I tell you. So one conjecture, and maybe you came up with something different, is that the product of an even and odd number is an even number. 2, 6, 42, 12, 4, and 90. Those are all even numbers. None of them are odd. And if we made a few more observations, you would find the same thing to be true about all the products, no matter which even and odd number you multiplied. So that is our conjecture. And now, this data doesn't prove that our conjecture is true, but it's a smart conjecture based on the data we have or the observations we have. So let's look at example 2. We have a chart with test scores of 4 students on a math test. It says, use the table to make a conjecture about the average test scores of the 4 students. So here we have our test scores. Now, a conjecture doesn't mean compute the average, so we're not going to add these and divide by 4. We're just going to make an educated guess about what is true about these observations. So there's some options. One thing you'll notice, these are all in the 90s. So one conjecture could be that the average test score is in the 90s. Maybe a more precise conjecture. Notice they go from 90 to 97, and halfway between 90 and 97 would be like 93, 94. So maybe a more precise conjecture would be to add the word the low 90s, so meaning somewhere between 90 and 95. So you have, different options for your conjectures, but something reasonable based on the observations. That's all we're talking about with the conjecture. And then we could go on and actually compute the average and see how close our conjecture is to the truth. So that's the idea of a conjecture. It's a guess, but it's a guess that's based on observations. It's a guess that's believed to be true based on the given information. And it's, again, going back to the first video, it's kind of just about making an intelligent argument backed up by information. So very important skill.